Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Ford Escape Trend, stock reference number 4799. This shape runs from the 9th month 2016 through to the 5th month 2020. It has a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. .5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, left front door appears to have no damage, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has one small dent, right guard has no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with the bald tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black leather center console lid, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.